Hello everyone and welcome to the Profit Whale software. Now I will make you a short journey regarding our soft. I will show you what exactly we have, how to work with it, how to start your first PPC automation. Because our tool is fully automated and we will work in these cases. You could see them on this box right over there. Like the automation includes the harvesting new keywords, the product targeting optimization, the pausing bleeding keywords, the finding and adding negatives, the real-time bid management, and pausing the duplicates. Everything we will do automatically, so no worries about that. We will work with all your data that you have on account or all your data that you will have soon. I mean, when you will start, for example, your PPC campaigns and you have launched our soft, we will collect all this data and make analysis according to this data. One really important thing that we have according to our soft is that we analyze and collect data every hour. So every hour we go through your account, we catch and get all data that you have, we analyze it, and if we have enough indicators for making any solutions, we will do so. So we will make this change based on 8 different indicators. It doesn't mean, it doesn't matter for us if we speak in a case of bids or adding new campaigns or adding new keywords or negatives. We will analyze it every hour, and we remember that we have came to you like 1 hour ago or 2 or 10 hours ago, and when we will collect it enough for making any conclusions, we will do so. So each change that you will see is based on your data and based on some calculations. More about that I will tell you, so let's go deeper and let's continue. So our strategies that we have on our software, it's 5 of them. So 5 different strategies that you could see here is the ACOS targeting, the product launch, the organic sales growth, the revenue growth, the profitable PPC. Each strategy is talking for themselves, and that is really cool because you could absolutely understand what is your stage, you know, according to Amazon right now. You could feel it, you could just analyze your data, and you absolutely know that. And for each of these stages, we have created these different 5 strategies. You can find a descriptions about them right over there. Like each strategist has like own description and details. Also you could find out the indicators where you will see like the 3 different like statuses, like the low, the high, and low, high, and mid, right? So 3 different strategies based on how our strategy will work, so how how we will perform it, right? Also, important thing that you'll have and you will see here. On the left side, you will see all your products that you have right now on your Amazon account. You could start the optimization for each of them, and that is something that we recommend you, or start for each product that you have started your PPC campaigns on your Amazon seller account. For fighting, for example, for if you have a lot of them, you could find them according to the ASIN or SKU. Just type it here and you will find everything. Also, important things for start your campaigns, it will be really easy for you to do so, because here what you need to do. First of all, you should just click a button start, but it will be really easier because also one of the steps that you should do is to set up your net margin. And now I will just explain you what I really mean. In these cases, we have a different products here. If you will click on the left side on the product settings, you will see this window. There is really important one to make the setup successful. You should set up your net margin. The formula is here. If you would like to calculate it, you could find this formula and do so. So for example, you have set up your net margin like 14%, and that is all what we recommend you to do on the beginning. You could set up also the minimum and maximum bids based on your like manual campaigns, auto campaigns, but we would recommend you to start only with a net margin for now. And for example, after 1 month or 2 months, yes, you could set up your maximum and maximum bids. So you have set up your net margin. For example, here's like the 14, here is 46, and for another products too you will do so. And after that you should come back to optimization setup and start your strategy. Like here, just click on start, choose each strategy that you would like to do for this individual product, and just launch it. Here it is. And now you have start your first optimization. Here you could see like the label like running. Here you could see like the green light, the product is on optimization. So here is the success. And let's go through and check what exactly our software will perform for you.